Hello friends, welcome. In today's lecture, Standard 12th Matrices. In last period, we see that finding the inverse by using row transformation. Now in today's lecture, we are now study that finding the inverse by column transformation. So before we are wasting the time, we can start that finding inverse. So this is our standard A by 3 by 3 matrices. Order is 3 by 3. That A is equals to what? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and A31, A32, A33. As same as last row transformation, there are again 6 steps. With that 6 step, you can easily find out inverse by column transformation. So first stage is what? That you have to write A is equals to I of A. What is I? I is an identity matrix. That any matrix of A you can write in the form of I into A. Let me start. That's step number 1. That what? Convert this A11 into 1. Now as a row transformation we can make the columns are 0. Now here that for the column transformation, that this is your C1, this is C2, and this is C3. These are the columns. So using that columns transformation, you must make the 0 that row. Then first A11 is you have to convert is 1. So it will be what? Interchanging of A12 or A13. If A11, A12 and 13 is 1, then you can interchange. Suppose here is 1, then say what? C1 interchange with C2, or here it is 1, then what? C1 interchange with C3. So first stage is what? Convert or interchange with C2 and C3. So that C1 interchange with C2 and C1 interchange with C3. If this is not possible, if there is no one, then you can add or subtract that using our A12 and 13. So suppose there is 3, it is 2. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So what? You can write here what? C1 minus C2. So you can easily get that it is 1. Though the next, for step 1, the second part is what? Add or subtract C2 or C3 using the sum constant number that equals to what? C1 that is C1 is equals to what? C1 plus minus K of C2. It may be constant K number. और for that C3, अगर C3 में कुछ change है तो C1 plus minus K of C3. You can use any one number of that. Now next, if two situations are or two conditions are fails, case 1, interchange is fail and add and subtract is also fail. If their condition is what? 2, 2, 2 are there, then all numbers are same, so you can't add or subtract. So that time you have to third step, and this third step you use after these two are fail. Then that time you can do it what? Divide by the same number. Just A11 से divide कर दीजिए, that C1 by A11. So if any number divided by itself, it becomes 1. Then on that 3 step you have to done, then that our step 1 is complete, that A11 is 1. So there is an first step is completed. Now after that, if A11 is 1, then you must have to A12 and 13 will become a 0 using C1. So for big, you have to A12 is 0 and A13 is 0, then it is very simple step, that subtract by the same number, then C2 minus A12 times of C1. If you subtract by the same number from the same number, then you get a 0. So their step 2 is given that what? C2 minus A12 times of C1 and C3 minus A13 times of C1. So we can write step 2 is what? Convert A12 and 13 0, that subtract by the same number from C2 and C3, that using C1 means what, C2 minus A12 times of C1 and C3 minus A13 times of C1. Now there is a step 2 is completed. Using this step 2, that you have to get our first 1 0 0, first row becomes 1 0 0, whatever it may be, the other numbers are here, but you have to do that step 1 and 2, that first row becomes unit matrix at 1 0 0. Now for the step 3 is begun, so that step 3 you must have to A22 is 1. Now A22 is 1 using only C3. Check here, just take only C3 only, not C1. When we think about C1, then all A11 will be changed. So if we want to A22 is 1 using only A23 or divided by the same number. So first there is a condition, and interchange with what, only C3. If interchange is fails, then add or subtract with C3. If add and subtract again is fail, then the third stage is what, divide by the same number, then C2 divided by A22. So this is our step 3. That step 3 is here, that convert A22 is 1, that using interchange, C2 interchange with E3, add or subtract C3 by using same constant number, that C2 plus minus of K of C3, or if both are fail, then divide by the same number, that divided C2 by A22, then it will become C2 it divided by A22. Now this is, and step 3 is completed. After step 3 is completed, we have to A22 is 1. Now if A22 is 1, then using this C2 or A22, complete that A23 and A21 is 0. So this is our next step, step 4, that using C2 convert A23 and A21 is 0, and 0, that is only what, subtracting by the same number. So we have to what, C3 minus A23 times of C2 and C1 minus A21 times of C2. अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे, दैट इज व्हाट, इट विल बी 0, देन A11 में हमारा कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा. सो नथिंग विल बी चेंज ऑफ A11 using that form. So that our next step 4 is here, convert A23 and A13 is 0. So subtracting by the same number from C1 and C3. So we have to write at C1 as C1 minus A21 times of C2 and C3 that C3 minus A23 times of C2. So here step 4 is completed. After step 4 is completed, we have becomes what, first 1 0 0 and second stage is also 0 1 0. Now you have to do what, last stage. Last stage is what, complete convert it this number, that what number is that, A33. So A33 becomes 0, so A33 becomes is 1. Now here no row is left here, that means what, our first using interchange, it is false here, add subtracted false here. So last stage is what, divided by the same number. So step 5 begins at what, so step 5 is what, convert A33 is 1, then for A33 is 1, divided by the same number, so C3 by A33. Now using this conversion, this becomes 1, and now this becomes 1, converting what, these two numbers are 0, A31 and A32 is 0. So step number 6, that using C3 convert A31 and A32 is 0. So 0, that means what, subtract by the same number. So C1 minus A31 times of C3 and C2 minus A32 times of C3. So when you do all these 6 steps by this way, then you must have to find the inverse easily by column transformation. So these are all 6 steps you have to must know. Then using these 6 steps, we have to solve the example, that finding the inverse using column transformation. So we have to write A, that A is of matrix of 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2. Now let what, we know that I A is equals to what, I of A. You have to must know that किसी भी नंबर को आप I से मल्टीपल कर सकते हो. Then what is A? Right here that 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2 times of I. What is I? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. So if matrix is 3 by 3, so you know that identity matrix must be 3 by 3. Now first step, what is the first step? Convert this number is 1. Now convert this number is 1 using first is what? Interchange or add or subtract. Now here interchange is not possible because there is no 1, but add or subtract it will be possible, because when we are doing that this 3 here, then it will be possible that 1 will be here, that 2 minus 3 is minus 1, it will be easily. So applying that C1 minus C3, or you can do it or C1 plus C2, whatever it may be, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. Then I can take it what? C1 2 2 3 minus है, that minus 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 what? C3 is what? 3 3 2. Now C2 it will be never change, so minus 3 2 minus 2 and 3 3 2. C3 is again remains same. Now this is the change of C1, so you must have to change on this side also. So 1 minus 0 0 minus 0 and 0 minus 1, for this is the C1. Now C2 is what? 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. You can solve that 2 minus 3, so it will what? Minus 1 minus 1 1. Now but we want to hear 1 not minus 1, so what? Convert this minus 1 to 1. Then what? Applying where C1 what? We want to 1, that is C1 into minus 1. We can multiply by minus 1 to C1, so that will become what? Minus 1 will become change as 1. So it will become what? Minus 1 converting as 1, minus 1 converting as 1, and 1 converting as minus 1. Other numbers are remain steady. Here also change, that 1 is converting minus 1 and minus 1 converting as 1. Other number, other columns are remain steady. Now this is 1 will be happen now. Now we want to convert that this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So that using the definition, that what we have to steps, that applying where that minus 3 address is C2. So what? C2, that what we do? C2 minus minus 3, that is C2 plus 3 times of C1, because we want to subtract about same number, that's minus of minus 3, that is plus 3. And for C3, that we get what? C3 it is minus 3, that is minus 3 times of C1. Do it by same way. So we can write that first column 1 1 minus 1 is here, then column number 2, that minus 3 2 2 plus 3 times of column 1, 3 times of column 1. Same column 3 minus 3 times of column 1, minus 3 times of column 1. This same changes is here, that again here second column plus 3 times of first column, and third column minus 3 times of first column. Now you have to solve that the answer. Then here the answer becomes what? 1 1 minus 1. Now it is at 0. 2 plus 3 5, minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5. 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, and 2 minus minus plus 3, that is 5. Here same way you have to what? First column remains steady, 0 minus 3, that minus 3. 1 plus 3 times of 0, that is 1, and 0 plus 3 times of 1, that is 3. Same, the third step is what? 0, that minus minus plus 3, that is 3. 0 minus 0 0, and 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So you have to second column is here. Now first and second step is completed. Now the third step is what? Convert this number becomes 1. Now it will be what? Interchange with this, but here is no 1. Add or subtract this, not possible, because 0 you can add or subtract, not possible. So third step is what? Divided by the same number. So we have to what? Applying where C2, that what? C2 divided by 5, then divided by 5 divided by minus 5 by 5, and here same again the second right side also. So when we are applying that C2 by 5, so it is possible that for second column divided by 5, here same second column divided by 5, then we get answer what? 1, 0 by 5 is 0, 0, 1, 5 by 5 is 1, it is 0, and step third, that is minus 1, 5 by 5 is 1, minus 1, and it is 5. Same here, remains steady. Now the step third is completed. Now step fourth, convert this number is 0, it is already 0, convert this number is 0. So what? 1 को 0 करना है, that is what? Subtract 1 by 1, then applying that what? C1. What C1? C1 minus C2, that 1 minus 1 is becomes a 0, then we can do it. So here C2 minus C1 minus C2, that what? 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, and minus 1 minus 1, it is minus 1 plus 1. Same here, that minus 1 minus 3 by 4 is plus 3 by 5, 0 minus 1 by 5, 0 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 5. Other two columns are remain steady. So you can solve 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Column number 2 remains steady. Column number here again minus 1 plus 3 by 5, that is minus 2 by 5. Then minus 1 by 5 again here 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5, that is 2 by 5. Other columns is remain steady. Now step 4 is completed. Step 5 begins. The step 5 means what? Convert this 5 is 1. Now A33 is 1, so divided by the same number. So we can apply what? Divided by C3 is 5. Then applying where? C3. What C3? C3 divided by 5. So it will be what? Getting that equals to 1. So it becomes what? C3 by 5. So 0 by 5 is 0, 0 by 5 is 0, 5 by 5 is 1. Same here, 3 by 5, 0 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Now check all numbers divisible by 5. So take 1 by 5 is common. What remaining? Minus 2, minus 3, 3, minus 1, 1, 0, and last 2, 3, minus 2. Now step 5 is completed. Last step, that what? Convert this number is 0, it already 0, and convert this number is 0. So where is his? This is an C2. So applying C2. That applying C2. What C2? C2 plus C3. That minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Then our sixth step is completed. So that 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0, 1, 0. Third step, same step. Here again, minus 3 plus 3, 1 plus 0, and 3 minus 3 plus minus 2. That is minus 3 plus 3, it is 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now this is becomes what? I. That we can write, that becomes what? This is I is equals to that 1 by 5. Then this G minus 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 1, 0, and 2, 1, minus 2 into A. When it possible? It is possible what? A into A inverse equals to I. Then therefore A inverse is equals to 1 by 5 and minus 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 1, 0, and 2, 1, minus 2. This is your inverse. Using column transformation, you can easily doing that as numbers. So this is an again simplest method. It is very easy to convert all the function or any matrix into find a inverse using column transformation. Hope so you can understood. This is in that format. We will meet again finding the inverse by adjoint method in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.